I'm Merziyah. I'm a senior product manager at Depth Method. I'm also working through the Wheel of Time series, and this is how I PM. My product management trick is asking your team to write up personal product manuals. What is a personal product manual? It is asking each person to write up a little paragraph, a little something about how they work. So what hours they prefer to work, what communication channels they prefer for what types of communication, whether they like working heads down or they're open to being disturbed during the day. And also things like, how do they like being appreciated? How often do they like celebrating wins? Ask them about their favorite snack so you can provide it at the next team meeting. Their pets, anything that they like, that gets shared with the entire team. This creates an element of fun, and it also adds to you having a better understanding of what are the best ways to get in touch and communicate with your other team members.